In today's video, I'm going to teach you ElevenLabs tutorial. Learn how to use ElevenLabs image and video feature. To get started, open your favorite web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type ElevenLabs and press enter. From the results, click the official ElevenLabs site. Look for the elevenlabs.io address so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the homepage, locate the image and video section and click it. This is where you can create visuals powered by ElevenLabs. You'll see a clean workspace with a library of templates, a preview area, and controls for text, timing, and audio. Choose a template that matches the mood you want. Templates save time by setting up scenes, transitions, and pacing for you. Check the aspect ratio and duration so it fits where you plan to post, like vertical for mobile or horizontal for desktop. You can always change your mind before exporting. Next, click Edit in Studio. The Studio view lets you customize everything the template provides. You'll typically see a script field, timeline, and any image or video placeholders the template expects. Think of this as your control room. Now craft a motivational prompt. Be specific about the message, tone, and energy. For example, describe the audience you're encouraging, the feeling you want to create, and any visual cues the template can use. Calm sunrise, bold typography, or dynamic cuts. Short, direct sentences usually sound better in voiceover, and adding pacing cues like brief pauses can help the narration breathe. Keep it focused and positive. When you're ready, click Play to test. Watch and listen to the preview, paying attention to clarity, timing, and how the visuals support your words. If the pacing feels rushed or too slow, adjust the prompt length or the template's timing controls. You can also refine phrasing to make the narration more natural. If you're happy with the result, click Export. Choose the quality and format that works for your workflow. Give the file a clear name and start the render. Export time can vary depending on length and quality settings, so a short wait is normal. That's it. You searched for ElevenLabs, opened the image and video tool, picked a template, edited it in Studio, wrote a motivational prompt, tested the preview, and exported your final piece. Save your project so you can revisit it later, and always avoid including personal or sensitive information in your prompts. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!